ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Usembut Menteri Rangba Kajela uba Preston Tensong ulaong baka Sorkar kamdon por banya bunya bat kajing kedaukti jongki sengsan pertai kamtam hadin baka All India Trinamool Congress kala keno baka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance balai alam deka National People's Party kamshim lala asatya ban Treikam kat kum kajing angno jong Paidbah hagini ki sausnem bakala yo bat ya ulakam sensar hapo Kajela. Shusho ulo ongru ay baki Paidbah nong song jong kajela kin Bishar hi yaki kam ki baka Sorkar MDA kalale hagini ki sausnem laki jingken no jong Presiden ka Trinamool Congress kalong ne kabadai ne kabamday.
People are wiser than everybody else. Let people of the state judge. Because see, being a politician, blaming game is always there. Even if Aitc rule the state, be it in West Bengal or be it anywhere, I'm very sure being a politician, I will ask the question. I will say that no, this government has not done anything. It must be there always. So therefore, for me, very simple statement I would like to say here is, let the people of Meghalaya judge and see whether the statement made by the president of Aitc is correct. You need to understand one thing. We already taken over possession of the land. Handed over by whom? By the aim of Nulid. We have already directed the Urban Affairs Department to take steps, necessary steps. What is already decided by the cabinet. That again, please don't ask me this question. We already handed over this responsibility to the Urban Affairs Department, and instruction has been given that immediately shifting of the employees who stays in that particular place needs to be shifted immediately. The issue of ILP is very much alive as far as state government is concerned, and whenever opportunity is there for meeting with the Honorable Union Home Minister, we keep reminding, we keep talking, we keep pressurizing him to give us ILP in the state of Phiel.